Am I tripping? Or is that a kid?
Damn, where'd you come from, little man?
I'm from Greenwich.
Greenwich?
Got any games here?
Oh, yeah. We got game. Go! Little gets the win. Nice haul, kid. You a natural.
Thanks. I hope my dad has as much fun in here as you guys.
Who's your daddy?
Chris Pemberton.
Yo, that's Ziggy's boy.
What's this?
So you have something to play with.
Thanks, little man. I know just where I'm gonna put it.
Hey, honey, I'm home. Fellas need something?
That's little man.